This is questions 4 and 7 from exercise 22.5 in Project Maths 2. We have to find the common difference for the sequence and find, in terms of n, an expression for Tn, which would be the nth term of the sequence. So we'll start with question 4 here, where our sequence is 6, 11, 16. So we've got 6, 11, 16, and then it continues on like that. And we're just going to get the common differences marked out. So the difference between 6 and 11 is a difference of plus 5. And the difference between 11 and 16 is a difference of plus 5. Okay, so we've got our common difference. And now we've got to get an expression for Tn, which is the nth term. Now the formula for that, for Tn, is a plus, and then n minus 1 in brackets multiplied by d, where a is our first term, it's t1, and d is our common difference. So in our question here we have a is equal to 6 and d is equal to 5. So we're just going to sub those both into the formula. So we're going to get the t of n is equal to 6 plus n minus 1 times 5. Now if we multiply our 5 into the bracket, we're going to get 6 plus 5n minus 5, which means for the very end of this question we're going to have t of n is equal to 5n plus 1. And that is the term for the nth term in that particular sequence. Let's look to question 7. Question 7 is a little bit different because whilst the numerical difference is the same, this time we're going down. So we've got 8, 3, minus 2, dot, dot, dot. So this time our difference is still 5, but this time it's minus 5. And we've got minus 5 there. So our a term this time is 8, and our d is minus 5. So if we put that into the formula, you have Tn is equal to 8 plus n minus 1 times minus 5, like that. And I put the minus 5 in brackets at the end just so that I don't mistakenly think that I'm taking it away from the brackets, so that it's understood that I'm multiplying it by the brackets. If I multiply that out, I get 8, and then minus 5 times n is minus 5n, and minus 5 times 1 is plus 5. So I'm going to get 8 plus 5, which is 13, so 13 minus 5n. And that's my t of n for question 7. And that is that.